major things that I learned from him about responsibility, what we can use, what we cannot use. Even I have seen a multiple time in my home, like we are from rural areas where we don't have additional pay for the electricity, but he always given a chapter to us. If this is really not used, then please switch on your lights, don't misuse it. So this is the thing, like this is one of the point that you can take in from there. If something really not required, whether you need to have additional pay for this or not, if this is not used, this is misuse, you don't use it out, you just use what are natural resources available. That could be your water, that could be your electricity, that could be any other natural resources that is available, because this is the limited. And if you can use better way, then you can long term survive, right? So happy Father's Day.
The most caring thing that my father says or points out to me is that he always says that don't overspend. How are you using the money? Are you investing the money or not? And being someone who likes to spend then and there, so I make sure that I'm listening to him and also saving the money. And when I'm doing some expenses, I make sure that I'm not just buying it for him. I'm making sure that I'm not just buying it for myself, but buying the things for him also, so that he also gets happy. So yeah, that's it. And happy Father's Day to everyone.
Most iconic dialogue of my father is like जब भी हम लेट उठते हैं सुबह, तो वो कहते हैं कि हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. तो सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं, वो ही अच्छा करते हैं जीवन में. और थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी फादर्स डे.
So for me, like my father is my strength, my inspiration, and father is like my home. तो मुझे अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, कहीं भी मैं फंसती हूँ, तो like I just call my father, and Papa always says, हाँ ठीक है, हो जाएगा. This is the iconic dialogue of my father, and happy Father's Day.
My father used to say, बेटा जो भी करना है लिमिट में करना. There should be a break to everything. Happy Father's Day.
My father always says, there's this song that he sings for me, that जीवन के दुखों से कभी डरते नहीं है, and हंस के ऐसे सबसे, मतलब there is a song, so he sings that for me, and he keeps motivating me to always face all the challenges and keep moving ahead and to stay strong. That's all, and happy Father's Day to everyone.
जल्दी उठो, ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा है, ऑफिस जाना है. हैप्पी फादर डे.
बेटा खाना टाइम से खा लिया करो. हैप्पी फादर्स डे. पापा मुझसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि बेटा खाना खाया या नहीं खाया, चाहे मैं ऑफिस में हूँ या नहीं हूँ, घर पे हूँ. तो हैप्पी फादर्स डे.